Thank you all so much for stopping by. My name is Jonathan and this is Homestead Foodie, the cooking show that takes place right here on my family's homestead. And today we're doing something a little different. I'm reaching into the refrigerator and I'm pulling out one of my secret weapons. And what I'm talking about is my Thai-inspired peanut dressing. Now this stuff is delicious. I love to pop into a store, especially when I'm pressed for time and I know I'm not gonna be able to get home and do any real cooking. Pop into the store, grab a pre-made salad kit, grab a pre-made chicken, bring the three together. It's time to eat. I'm gonna show you how to make it for yourself right now. Stick around and I hope you enjoy. As you can see, I've already started us off with our honey and our peanut butter. Now this is a natural peanut butter. It is completely unsweetened. There's maybe a touch of salt added and that is it. Creamy and ready to go. So we're going in with our ginger. And after that, we're going in with our soy sauce, our mirin, our rice wine vinegar, our fish sauce, and our minced garlic, our sriracha, our lime zest, half of this lime, maybe a little under, closer to 30% or so. And from that same lime, we're squeezing out half of the juice. Really getting it in there. Make sure you get that juice. All right. And to that, we're adding our warm water. And now we whisk, mixing everything up. Okay, now that everything's mixed, let's grab a tasting spoon and see what we have. And that is it. That is some tasty stuff. Now, you want to take this and put this in the fridge, let it rest overnight. The next morning, take and whisk it all up. It's gonna thicken a little bit, things will separate. Take, whisk it all up, and it'll be even better. Trust me, this stuff is delicious. All right, I've already done one earlier in anticipation of this moment, and we are gonna make a salad. We have our pre-made salad kit from the store. Just dump that right in. Add the little pack that comes with it. Now we're going to take and add our pre-made store-bought roasted chicken. Add that in. Okay, now we add our dressing and we toss. The smell, I wish you could smell this stuff. It smells so good. It's ridiculous. More dressing. Toss, toss, toss. Find our little bits across the top. Now, if you had some fresh mint, that would go great with this, or some cilantro, that would also go great with this. Unfortunately, I don't have any fresh mint or cilantro right now. I really wish I did. All right, everyone, and our salad is done. As you can see, let me grab a fork and give this a taste and see what we have here. Oh my goodness. That is good. Trust me, that is delicious. Thai-inspired peanut dressing, so good. This would also be great. You can wrap this up in a tortilla, take it to go. I've also used this dressing as a dip. There are a lot of possibilities. Anyway, I need to sit down and eat this. My name is Jonathan. This has been Homestead Foodie. Thank you guys so much for sticking around to the end. It is always appreciated. And until I see you again, take care of yourselves and I'll see you later.